Today we're going to be replacing the headlight on a 2003 Volkswagen Jetta. It's going to be about the same if you got a 1999 to 2004. It's all going to be the same on how we're going to do it. First, you're going to go right behind, you're going to pop the hood. You're going to go right behind this headlight, whatever headlight you need to replace. And they have two brackets, and I will show you in the pictures. And these are being a little bit more stubborn than how they should.
Once you take those off, you gotta pull it out and then pull it up like that and then take it out, and then right here is the headlight. Right here, which I do not have to take out, which my dad should, but I don't know how. Pretty sure you're supposed to unscrew it, right? Supposed to unscrew it or something. Oh, just pull it out.
Where's the headlight?
It came out.
It's sitting there.
So how do you get that out?
Twist. Let's see.
Let's back it up. There's that. It's out. So there's the headlight. Now we're...
And this is what we are putting into as a replacement.
There.
You do want to make sure not to touch the glass on these, because you don't want the oil from your fingers touching the glass, which can cause it to get hot and damage. Remember, this is just going to go in the same way that the other one came out. It's just going to slide back in this hole.
Right there.
This locking device is going to go back on. You want to make sure it goes in nice and straight. This little indent right here and that one, if you look in here, down on the inside, there are two tabs that are going to be sliding through here. So you need to make sure that those line up. Yeah.
Good. It's recording too.
Just like this. So it should be facing like that, where the round side is toward the middle of the car. And this goes back on.
It's not doing that since it's covered. It is raining. Doing this in the rain. We're gonna have to back the car in the garage if we want to do the other part back. Put it back in the garage for what we're doing. Do the next light. We are not going to be including our changing of the other light in this video. We are going to be doing another video that is going to do that. I think we're about to turn it on. Let's see. Let's see if this thing works. Yeah, look at that. It works. That's the one we replaced. Now it's very, very bright. Not as bright as the other one. They match. Yay. Well, this was a... Dad, well, scared me, but... Turn a little bit this way. It's kind of weird.
I'm the headless dad.
Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Right there. Subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell to get notifications. Woo!